Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I have uploaded anything, but I was really excited when I got this palette yesterday. This is the Sydney Grace Co. Autumn's Reign eyeshadow palette. This is the very first palette that they have launched with their company, and this is what it looks like. I love Sydney Grace shadows. They are such an underrated brand. I don't feel like I hear enough people talking about this brand. They are very comparable to higher end brands such as Makeup Geek, Urban Decay, Tarte. I feel like a lot of their shadows are even better than those. They are very blendable, they're very pigmented, and they don't break the bank, which is something that I personally love because I'm all about saving money, and makeup is so expensive these days. So it's really nice to see a brand that's going to give you a high quality product but for an affordable price. So this is the eyeshadow look that I created today. I did sort of like an ombre cut crease with a little bit of glitter, and I love it. I already knew I was going to love this palette. I have tried Sydney Grace in the past. I have their No Joke bundle, and it is amazing. They're just super pigmented, they're blendable, and their foiled shadows are so wet looking. They're just so intense. I love it. I can't wait to create more looks with this. I love the color scheme within the palette as well. I feel like it's very versatile. I feel like there's going to be a ton of different eyeshadow looks you can do with this palette, whether you want to do something that's really smoky, if you want to do something that's more daytime appropriate, or if you want to use it for a work palette and you just want to stick with the matte shades. They all blend really nicely. I feel like within the Sydney Grace company, the shadows that I have purchased from her brand, there is such consistency within all the shadows. I haven't ran across a shadow that is patchy, not pigmented, and really hard to work with. I feel like everything on her site is just amazing. I want to also create more looks with this palette, so if you guys want to see something like that, go ahead and let me know down in the comment section down below. I don't go into too much detail about how I blend the shadows and everything. I'm just going to put music over the kind of tutorial part and show you guys the shadows that I'm using as I'm blending them, and possibly the brushes. I'm not sure yet because I can't remember and I already put everything away. But I will try to leave as much information as I can on the screen and in the description bar down below. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. I miss you guys so much. I know. I'm really sorry about my upload schedule. I'm sorry about not uploading at all. Really appreciate you guys watching my tutorials and staying subscribed. I try to be a little more active on my Instagram account, so if you guys don't know my Instagram account, it is at Trishthedishbeauty, and I do upload videos sometimes and also makeup looks. So if there's something that you guys want to see that I haven't filmed yet, just let me know in the comments on my IG post and I will try to get something up for you guys. I'm hoping to try to film a lot more tutorials. I feel like I do have a little more time now, and I'm going to try my best, I promise. I do want to get a New Year's Eve look up for you guys. I hope you guys will try some of Sydney Grace's shadows. Her website and everything will be linked down in the description bar. I do know a couple of influencers with coupon codes that will save you a little bit of money. I don't believe they're affiliate codes, but I will try to confirm that with the influencers codes that I use. I will have them in the description bar. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching.
Yeah.